WW3 starts.
Currency during the bank shutdown. Observers here take that as the first hint that the bank holiday may not last as long as once predicted. This follows closely.
This is a movie looking down to Breaking Glass from 1984 about the scenario of World War III. It's happening now.
We have Nancy Dickerson at the State Department with a live report.
Nancy.
Press Secretary John J. Bingham.
But
we've learned from experience that hasty reaction to events still unfolding can impact on the events themselves. The simple fact of the matter is that the Department
Look here how interrupt the journalist. Again, this happened yesterday. Although this is from a movie made 1884. Tales from the script, people. Wake up! This woman, she looks like Nancy Pelosi.
Is this one question or military?
He.
One question or military?
This is when he interrupted her.
One question or military?
One question or an editorial?
Is this one question or military?
Now look what happened yesterday. He interrupted her when he had a press meeting. So this is Gina Colvin Hill. She sending the press.
So this is real. This is from Gina Maria Colvin Hill.
Yeah, thanks very much, Lita. So as I
So
mentioned,
it repeats itself. The same moment, the same.
Decisions that we're making here
Really doesn't look happy about this.
with facts, and so let's get the facts, and then we'll go from there. Everybody is reporting based in reference to the U.S. intelligence. So U.S. intelligence has already disseminated the information that actually those missiles. Is that a statement of fact, or are you asking a question?
Is that a statement of fact, or are you asking a question?
Is a statement of fact, or you're asking a question?
He interrupts him.
Isn't it interesting that
Like the one who interrupted the woman in the film.
Tales from the script.
That's a really good question.
Countdown to Breaking Glass.
Listen to what he said really fast, because this was really interesting what this young man said. Why don't you listen to him?
a miscalculation or something that triggered the Article 5? I'm not asking about right, and again, as I'm sure you can appreciate, I'm not going to speculate about potential ifs and thens, right? I'm going to deal with facts, and so let's get the facts, and then we'll go from there. Everybody is reporting based in reference to the U.S. intelligence. So U.S. intelligence has already disseminated the information that actually those missiles. Is that a statement of fact, or are you asking a question? No, I'm asking a question. I'm saying that...
Is that statement of fact, or you're asking a question? Deja vu, repeat itself. So people will have this in...
Nancy, is this one question or an editorial?
Is this one question, or...
U.S. ambassador.
One question that you done.
Right. So we have this. People. So... This is just breaking in. So, let's see. ABC News. You read, people. Oil tanker hit by a bomb carrying drone off Oman. Watch this movie, people. Countdown to Looking Glasses. History repeats itself. Although it was a film, takes from the script, Countdown to Looking Glasses, everything you see what you have
One question that you done.
Right. Starts in Oman. Oman is the word. You see the words? Oman. They say Oman.
What's your own take on him? I don't know. He's kidding. This is CBN News Break. The Biden ambassador Gabriel seeking on the phone back to the United States, seeking by military jet. White House is relaying the world official.
So is the National Security Advisor in on this?
National Security Advisor's in on everything. Sees all, knows all.
Knows nothing.
Tells me everything.
Maybe you probably just hit the dip.
Dip's off. Sorry.
Is it the Middle East, Oman?
Now intelligence making a couple problems around.
This is the Middle East, Oman.
This is the Middle East, Oman. This is it, people. The same movie is becoming a prophecy. What happens in the movie is happening now. It's happening now. With the interruption of the journalist in the movie and the interruption of the journalist yesterday, and then the incident near Oman, and the terror attack near Oman, and the attack near Oman today. The attack near Oman today, and the attack of Saudi ambassador in the movie 1984 near Oman attack. So this has happened today. Attack on Israel in oil tanker owned by an Israeli billionaire, struck by a bomb.
Carrying drone off the coast of Oman and highlighting tensions with Iran.
So yes, watch the movie because we know it's going down. They cannot play it
An oil tanker
other
associated
way.
with Israeli billionaire
And
has
this
been
is all
struck by
because
bomb-carrying
what we did
drone off the coast
the
of
day
Oman,
before yesterday. We
highlighting
filmed the
tensions with
evidence.
Iran. An
We know
official
that
told
the chariot throne is seen
on Wednesday.
for everyone. It's seen in the sky, so they cannot deal with it. They need to go to escalate. So we have people in the bunkers. They don't know nothing what's going outside. So that's it, people. Prepare, please,
This
people.
days will take the prices up to the sky, and the oil,
The prices,
gas,
everything,
oil
everybody
supplies,
is set
the gas
up. Is
supplies,
set up
war
for a
in the
war.
Gulf. This is the
Set
other
up
world,
for a
what's
war.
happening. War in the Gulf has
It
started.
will
They will,
it will
attack,
escalate
more
very
attack
quickly.
will come.
That's
So
it.
this
God
attack
bless you,
with,
people.
against Poland